In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use collapsible lists in Coda, a fantastic tool to keep your documents well organized and easy to navigate. Let's go through this process step by step so you can make the most out of your Coda experience. First, start by opening your web browser and heading over to Coda's website. Coda is your all-in-one collaborative workspace that allows you to create docs as powerful as apps. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Get Started. Go ahead and click on that. If you're new to Coda, you'll need to create an account. Fortunately, signing up is a breeze. You can do this by clicking on the Google option, which allows for quick sign-ins using your Google account. After clicking on Google, you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you'd like to use by clicking on it, and that will get you logged in. Now that you're logged into Coda, locate the document you want to work with. Navigate to your workspace and open the specific doc where you'd like to make some organizational improvements using collapsible lists. Once you have your document open, the first thing you'll want to do is create a header or a top-level item. This will act as the primary title for your collapsible content. To do this, simply type your title in the document. Then find the three dots to the right of the line you just created and click on them. These dots open up a menu with some style options. In this menu, look for the Paragraph Style option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with different layout styles for your text. Among these styles, you'll see Collapsible List. Click on Collapsible List to turn your title into a collapsible section. What this does is it creates a section header that can be expanded or collapsed, allowing you to control how much content is visible at any given time. Once you've created your collapsible list top-level item, go ahead and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to a new line right under your section header. Then hit the Tab key. This automatically nests the new line under your collapsible section, indicating it's a part of the content that will be hidden or shown when the section header is clicked. Now it's time to add content to your collapsible list. Type in the items or the content you'd like to include under this header. After typing each item, simply hit Enter to move to the next line. By following these steps, you're able to create a clean, organized document with collapsible sections. These sections not only make your document look sleek, but also improve its functionality by allowing readers to focus on one section at a time. Enjoy experimenting with collapsible lists in Coda, and watch how it transforms your document use into something much more streamlined and efficient.